Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Carnot engine is operated between heat reservoirs at 520 and 300, and if the engine receives 6.45 times 10 cubed joules of heat energy from the reservoir at 520 Kelvin each cycle, how many joules per cycle does it discard to the 300 Kelvin reservoir? How much mechanical work is performed and during each cycle, and what's the thermal efficiency of each cycle? So basically with the Carnot engine, you just have these additional equations that you can use in addition regarding temperature, in addition to the equations involving heat and work and efficiency. So I actually thought with this one, efficiency was the most straightforward to calculate first, or that was the first thing that occurred to me when I was reading over the formulas in the back of the book. So I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate how to do that first. So that's so efficiency is T cold over T hot. So 1 minus 300 over 520. Plug that into a calculator and maybe you'll get the same thing I did, which is 42.3%. I will go ahead and box that, and then I'll just put equals E just as a reminder. And now I can go circle back to A, which asked for the Q cold. And I just went ahead and did this using E is 1 minus Q cold over Q hot. And then if you algebraically rearrange that here, I'll just write it out just to make it totally clear. E is 1 minus Q cold over Q hot. And if you, algebraically arrange that, Q hot times 1 minus E, there's our E, 42.423, and then our Q hot's found over here. And you get Q cold is 3.72 times 10 cubed. And for part B, they're asking for the work. Take your pick, what formula you want to use. I want to use the formula that work over Q hot is efficiency. Therefore, work is the efficiency times Q hot. And the efficiency is this 0.423. Q hot is this 645, 10 to the 3. So if you go ahead and plug that into your calculator, you might get the same thing I got, which is 2.73 times 10 to the third, not 10 to the J, 10 to the 3 joules. Okay.